Hey there, design pros. In today's video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to add a product barcode that works for supermarkets or supermarket shelves. This is super handy for your clients when they want their products to stand out and get scanned on store shelves. But why stop at just making the product identifiable? Adding barcode has other perks too, like improving inventory management and making checkout faster. Also, it just gives that professional finish to your product packaging that clients love. So here's the deal. It's pretty simple if you've got the right font. I will drop the link to the font in the description so you can grab it once you've got it. Just type out the code you want for the product. Keep in mind this isn't a barcode generator. It's better to understand how to form a unique code before you start. The codes could be based on the initials of the brand, the product, the release date, year and month, or even the model number. Just get creative. Or sometimes your clients will give you the specific codes if you are designing multiple products. Now let's jump back into the tutorial. Type out your preferred code, change the font to the font like this, and voila, you've got yourself a barcode. I like to keep it classic with a black barcode on a white background. Then I just group it all together. Copy it over to the label, adjust it as needed, and boom, you're done. Simple as that. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and don't forget to ring that bell for more design tips like this. See you in the next one.